Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we will share how to create a staircase in Revit using the Run Stairs icon. We will also show how to use reference planes as a guide in modeling the staircase. But before we start,
please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you.
in modeling a stairs in Revit, it is good to check out the floor-to-floor height first so that we can work out the math. We are going to a section or an elevation for this case. We have a 7-meter floor-to-floor height. We'll be using a 175mm high stair riser. If we do the math, 7,000 millimeters divided by 175 millimeters equals to 40 steps. So for this particular staircase, we will be assuming to have 4 flights of stairs having 10 steps each. We are going to the plan view to start modeling the stairs. On the File tab, on the far right side, select the reference planes. I'm going to use reference planes as a sketch of the staircase. Let's draw a vertical reference plane. Then we are going to copy it. Let's type 1,500 millimeters, which will be the width of the staircase. Then let's copy again the reference planes. This time we type in 200 millimeters to represent the center gap of the staircase. Then copy again and make it also 1,500 millimeters wide. Then next we'll be drawing reference planes horizontally. We are also going to copy it, then use 1,500 millimeters wide also. This is going to be the representation of the stairs landing. If we look at the elevation, the reference planes are also visible. So reference plane are like 3D lines that will show on elevation and section when we draw it on the plan. Then we are going to copy the reference plane again. Then this time we will type in 2,750 millimeters. It is because we will use a 275 millimeters width stair tread, multiplied by 10 steps. Then copy it again to 1,500 millimeters width for the other landing. Now we will start to model the stairs. From the File tab, under the circulation, select the stair icon. If we are going to check the component, the Run icon is selected. On the location line, we are going to use right. We are going to start the stairs from the middle. Wait, let's change the width to 1,500 millimeters. On the actual run width, type the width. Then on the properties, we are going to change the type. We are going to use the monolithic stair. So let's start the stairs from the inner right side reference plane, starting from the upper, then to the lower part of the plan. Then stop after the 2,750 millimeters run. Then continue on the left side. Notice that the landing will also be created on the lower part of the plan. Then stop the flight again on the 2,750 millimeters run. Now we have 2 flights created. We will repeat the process until we complete the 40 steps. So check out the properties. The desired number is 40, then the actual number is still at 20. From the right side again, we will start the steps. Now the actual number is 30. Then next is the last flight on the left side of the plan. Then now we have hit the desired number of 40 steps. The data on the properties can tell us that the actual steps are already matching with the desired number. Then let's end the modeling by selecting the check symbol. Let's go to the east elevation. Our staircase is complete. It will also automatically model the railing that is set with the stairs. Notice also that the reference planes match with the flights and the landing width. For the upper part, it should end up with the slab if we have modeled the floor also. On the plan, it will also show an automatic cut line for the stairs. Then after the cut line are dotted lines that indicate the upper layout of the staircase. Let's check it out from the 3D view. There you go. We have here a staircase with 4 flights, 3 landings, and a total of 40 steps. So when modeling the staircase, we should have to make sure that we have worked out the numbers first before modeling. You need to know the width, the floor-to-floor height, the riser height, and the tread width. Once you all have this information, you will be able to work out the reference planes and set all the parameters of the stairs. You guys can practice and explore modeling the stairs. Alright, that's it for now. I hope you have learned something from this tutorial and hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching.